These are the American Bresse. Their claim to fame is being red, white, and blue. You see that rooster? He's got his blue legs, his white feathers, and his red comb. Some of the, like this little hen right here, her legs didn't get as blue. They all start off with a light colored, not blue leg, and as they get older, they get more blue. So far, it's September right now. These were hatched in May, and so far, they haven't all gotten the blue legs. If I were to pare down and take only one rooster, I would take probably that rooster to keep as the sire for the chicks that will hatch from these chickens.
As opposed to this one right here that
Yeah,
his legs haven't turned.
it's got a funny comb and its legs are still not as blue as I'd like. But they're dual purpose. There's another rooster inside. His comb's a little crazy, which isn't that big of a deal, but his legs are blue. So just a thought about the American Bresse.